Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to bake a fruit cake. We're not experts on baking, but we thought we'll give it a shot today. It's not very difficult to make, it's only got a few ingredients. We will be needing 2 cups of plain flour, approximately 400 grams of fruit salad mix, 3 700-gram eggs, half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of walnuts, and 1.5 cup of sugar. So the first step is to add the 3 eggs in a mixing bowl with the sugar, the 1.5 cup of sugar, and just whisk it. And when you can see, just keep whisking it until you can see tracks being left behind in the mix. And when you see that, you can just set that aside and move on to the next step, which is adding the 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder to the sifted flour. Then what we'll just do is add the plain flour to the egg mix. We've used a mixer for ourselves to mix the eggs and the flour, but if you don't have one available at home, you can use your hands to mix it. Once that's mixed, what we've done is we've added the mixed fruits and the butter and the 1 cup of walnuts, and just mix it all together. Now that we've added everything, we're just gonna let it mix for a little while, and while that's happening, we're gonna butter the pan, the baking tray, and as you can see, we've buttered it quite well. And now we're just gonna put a bit of plain flour in there, and what this does is it gives it the non-stick effect, so when we put the cake mix in, it won't be sticking while it cooks. And just sift it through and make sure that it's nicely covered, and then by the time you're done with that, the cake mix will be mixed thoroughly as well. Then just add the cake mix to the pan and make sure it's just flat and nice. And the way we're spinning it, if you just do that, it'll flatten out itself and give it a nice decent flat look. So we will be baking this cake for 1 hour and 15 minutes in a preheated fan-forced oven at 150 degrees. Because it's a very thick mixture, it's going to take some time to rise. So as you can see now, the cake is ready. It's raised from the middle. And what we do to check if the cake is actually ready or not on the inside, because we're not great bakers, is we just stab the middle with a knife, and if the knife comes out clear without any cake mix on it, then basically it's done. Because of the flour, you can see how easily the pan left the cake, and even underneath it's not stuck at all to the base of the pan. If you want to put some icing on the cake or any sort of decorations, it's easier if you just flip it over. As you can see, it's just a very nice cake, and it tastes really, really good as well. So give it a try, and hopefully it'll work out really, really nicely for you as well. Good luck, and thanks for watching.